Just yeah, that's how Jesus will come back. Everybody will be looking up in the heavens and being mesmerized by the epic presence of the majestic trailing deck. It's called trailing deck because it's the main component that helps the jump come up. You got things called flippers on there, and those flippers, when it lands, I'll show you what the flippers look like. Those flippers help the whole jump come up, because if they don't engage, the jump won't be able to move up. I'll bring you up and show you what the flippers look like. You don't want to be down there. How heavy you reckon that is?
That's 2.5 ton.
2.5 ton. This is Sav. He's been running this jump.
Howdy.
He's yeah, the main man. You don't get to see him very much, but hey Sav, it's a big mission, eh? You smashed it out, man. How many days less you smashed it out in?
It's
4 days, yeah. That's the 4th day, yeah. It was scheduled for 7, but you went for 4, eh?
Yep.
That's a world record, eh, mate?
Freaking high.
That's right, man. That's Sav does his thing. So those things here, these ones here, they're called flippers, and those flippers are the ones engaged in those pockets. So when he jumps up, with these rams jump up, push the rams up, and the flippers engage. They lock into the wall, and they lock into the wall and push the whole jump up. But it has to be all in sync. They have to be done all in sequence. That's why we got all these jacks. How many jacks was there, Sav? How many jacks were there? How many jacks were there in total? Were they 8 or?
For the whole jump.
12. There you go. 12 jacks. So you got the flippies. So they gotta pack that up. Pack it up. And so that the boys can be able to dismantle it. Obviously this one they might need the crane for that, because it's gonna be too heavy to take that top section off. So yeah, you don't want to be under that when this thing goes down. So these are the flippers I've been talking about. They're pretty heavy. Yeah, down. There you go. Yeah, okay, down. One more. So yeah, there they have it. And I'll step away, let them do their thing. That'll give you a quick glimpse on that. And yeah, I'll show you the flippers, the pockets pretty quick. The pockets these are the pockets where those flippers sit. They sit right in here. So you got, so those jacks I showed you before, 2 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 over the other side, 1 over this side, and they'll have the flippers on there. So now the whole, hello, I can see Russia from here. Yeah, alright, I gotta go back to work. Alright guys, ciao ciao. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like if you like. Mamba's out of here, keeping you updated with progress rate. But see you later, alligator. Beautiful day. Bye bye.